This is Rohit Upadhyay, computer teacher at Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Student, in this video, I am showing you how we can create a basic HTML document. So, let's start. To write the HTML document, first we have to open the HTML editor. So, we are using the Notepad. How we can open Notepad? Click on the start button, then all programs, and then click on the accessories, and from here we can click on the Notepad. This is the Notepad where we write the HTML code. So I have written one code for you. Started with the HTML tag, and then head tag, title tag. There is a title, my first document, and then the head tag is closed, the body tag is started. Here we have written hello student, welcome to the world of HTML, and the body and HTML both are closed. So this is the basic HTML document. After creating your document, you need to save your file. To click on the file menu and then press the save as. Here you have to provide the file name. So file name, I am going to provide HTML. We are going to provide my file 1 and with its extension HTML. The location of the file we have to give, so we are going to save this file on desktop and then save. After saving your file, you have to minimize this Notepad window where you have write the HTML code and see where you have saved a file. In the desktop I have saved a file, my file 1. This is my HTML file. Now double click on this file and you can see the output of the HTML document. Here your web browser, Internet Explorer, by default Internet Explorer is displayed. You can use any other web browsers also. This display here you can see the title bar, my first document. This I have written in a title within the title tag, so this is written as an title, and here the content which is written inside the body tag is displayed here, hello student, welcome to the world of HTML. If you want to provide any background color for your web page, so you have to use some attribute. To provide the background color, we use the BG color attribute of body. So inside the body opening tag we have to give some space and write down BG color. The spelling of color you have to write clearly COLOR. There is no space between BG and color, complete spelling it is BG color, and then equal sign, and inside the double quotation mark we have to write the color code. You can write the color code or you can write the color name. So we are using the color name here, blue. And then we have to save. Every time we have to save. This time we will not use the save as option because the file is already saved with a name and proper location. We have to only use the save option, then minimize the file, and we have to click the file on desktop. So you can see the color is applied on as an background. So if you want to apply the background color, you have to use the BG color attribute with body tag. If we want to apply the text color, so you have to use the text attribute with body tag. We will use the text attribute, then equal sign, and we will give the color name within the double quote, and then again we have to save and click on the file. You can see the colors applied to the text. To apply the text color, we have to use the text attribute of body tag. Here you can see the text we have written on the web page, which is started the first line. There is no space from left side, from the top side. So if you want to give some space, if you want to give some margin from top and left, so you can use the left margin and top margin. These both are the attributes of the body. So we have present and display on web page from the left or from the top. So you have to use the left margin and top margin attribute with body tag. Left margin and top margin attribute you have to use and provide value. You can write the value inside double quotation mark or without the double quotation mark also you can give. Here we will take care. Here we will not use any space between the left hand margin and between the top end margin. We have to provide some value to it, whatever margin or whatever distance you want to provide from the left side and from the top side of your text, and then we can save it, minimize the file and click on the document file. So here you can see the text, the left and top margin which we have provided is applicable on the text. This is called the left margin and this is called the top margin. The value we have provided the left margin and top margin, that is in of pixels, and 72 pixels contains 1 inch. So according to that size we have to provide the margins. So these are the basics to create any HTML document with some attributes of body tag. There are some more attributes of body tag like background, link, a-link and v-link we will learn in next video. So thank you, have a nice day.